Hi everyone, I hope that you hear me right. Um, this afternoon I developed a challenge about Python, OpenLDAP, Debian package. A college of me passed me this exercise in order to first of all, make a Python script that move all files from a member of a group to archive folder. Yeah, at this point I thought, what kind of member of groups? A member of group of the operating system or what kind? For this reason, I thought, okay, they want that I work with external resource such a user repository. The OpenLDAP is open source user repository. For this reason, I download a Docker image that contains an open LDAP with a Debian 10. Yeah, this is the operative system version that I use for this challenge. After this, say the name of the group should be a parameter of the program. Okay, the program should be robust, AG, with respect to multiple invocation in a short time. The events and results should be available in a log file. The program should be installable as a Debian package and should be made available for download. The Debian package and the build. Yes, I build the Debian package. I have no problem for this. I only need to find how to do it at Google and all is right. Okay, first of all, yeah, I want to show my, yeah, this is the Docker image. The Bitnami, it's the image that I built of latest version. I can upload at this way. The server is running. Yeah. Um, um, I use a couple of search. Yeah. Can I refresh this? Import connection. Yeah, I don't know how to use this interface. I download this afternoon when I start to develop the software. I can check the reconnection. Yeah, dimension 1, user readers. Okay. Search, refresh. It's possible refresh. Connection settings. Open connection. Local. This is the local connection. Okay. User 1, user 2. Okay. In order to show that I know how to develop Python. Okay, first of all, I start up the sudo the Docker image with a network type bridge. It seems that on my own IP, it seems my Wi-Fi IP this 192.168.1.40 at port 1389 it's open the LDAP, okay, at my local IP. For this reason, with my source I'm going to connect to my own IP, because the network of the Docker is bridge type, okay. um, I developed a couple of script in Python that I'm going to show you right now. Okay, the first of all is the Python LDAP. Um, this is a tool that allow the user, first of all, search a user in LDAP, search a group, create a new user, or create a group. No, of course, I create a package in Debian with this tool, and other one tool it's the move files script that it's very simply because I don't know why in the practice show me that I should create a program in Python. I thought that the most directly way to do that is make a bash script. The bash script is the better way to do that, but internally at source of Python, I make a subprocess call in order to execute commands directly on the operating system. Um, from my point of view, it's the same. I'm going to show you how it's work. Okay. Um, okay. Let me show you. Cd dot. Okay. This is directly the Debian package of move files, but first of all, I'm going to show you the cd move files. No, this is LDAP, or what is the other one? It's package dev. Yeah, of course. cd. This is the Python script. Okay, in the init of the package, and internally at Debian LDAP usr bin, we can find directly the Python script that don't need use an interpreter, because internally it's called because it's inside of the package. Okay, this is the script as a menu. Okay, first of all, we can search a user, Univention1. Yeah, we can find the object inside of Univention. Of course, we can create another one. For example, with the number 3, we can create a user with Univention2, last name test, email at bendion.com. Yeah, username Univention2 with the ID 12345. Yeah, login share, default bin bash, default directory. Yeah, right now we can search Univention2. Yeah, and this is the new user. Yeah. of course, I want to show you that this source code is vulnerable to LDAP injection. Yeah. Why it's vulnerable to LDAP injection? Because when it search an user or a group, it's possible inject an LDAP character such a asterisk, for example. Okay, I can do that. User but search filter. Okay, yeah. This way, I obtain all the users internally in the LDAP. There are more than one and more than two. Yeah. Search result import all. Fine now. Yeah. As you can see, there are the users that I create in the LDAP Univention 1, Univention 2. Yeah. Okay. Right now I'm going to check the groups. Univention 1. It's empty. Groups. It's Univention. Yeah, to Univention. Yeah, of course. Typographic error. Yeah, Univention is the first one. Yeah. For example, if I use Univention 1, Univention 2, Univention 2, Univention. I'm not sure if what members has Univention, Univention, group of names, Univention, member, Univention 1. Okay. This is a note. Okay, we can create another one to check this. My new group. Group member, for example, this user. Can I rename? Yeah. User 1. I can check the group. Number 2. Yeah. With this name. Yep. And has one member. Yeah. This tool manages the LDAP externally with the name, with the number file you can exit of the program. cd dot dot cd dot dot cd package dot dot package dep. Yeah, of course. cd move file. Yeah, this is the other one. cd debian move files usbin. The other one. Move files. Yeah, and say you usage argument move files group directory and LDAP password. Okay, the group is Univention. The directory is I'm not sure what directory. Yes, I used before gmp move files. Yeah. Mhm. Mhm. Cause yeah, it's empty. Okay, right now I can create mkdir gmp move files. Okay, come on. Let's go. Move files. The Univention. Okay. gmp move files and admin password. You can see this admin password is the same root password that I put in LDAM admin is admin password. Yeah. I thought that this is all. Yeah. Okay. What happened here? Um, the program internally looking into group of LDAP Univention user and find a member. The member of the group is the Univention user. The Univention user it's a local user of my operative system. For example, you can check it if you do etc pass by grep Univention. Yeah, and this is the user. Yeah, of course. For example, I don't remember the credentials, but I can do Univention. Well, yeah. I can go to cd home Univention. Yeah, and there are the user owner by there are the files owner by the user Univention. As you can see the script after search the user look up inside of operating system for the files and directories that are owned by Univention user and move these files to the output directory tmp move files. For the reason, if we go to this location gmp move files, there are the same files of the user Univention home. I can exit again cd tmp, yeah, cd move files, yeah, there are the Univention files, but right now it with permission of my execution script user Fonsi, yeah, but if you do diff test Univention home Univention test Univention should be the same. Yeah, there are no difference. If I do echo test inside of test Univention, yeah, echo, yeah, right now there are difference between the bots the bots files. Okay, the last one is how to do that the files are available. Sorry. Where is the source? Where is the source code? Here. Okay. Install a Debian package and should be available for download. Maybe I can do something like that. CD home phones Univention mobile Debian user Debian mobiles user bin, yeah. And right now I can do python 3.m http server at port 9090. Okay, and on the other hand I can do that cd package debian debian ldap user bin, yeah. I'm inside and I can do python .m http server at port 9091. Yeah. Python 3, yeah. With Python 2 http server is simple http server. This is with Python 2, yeah. One with Python 2 and the other one with Python 3. What happened with that? If I get a new browser http at localhost at port 9090, yeah, the move files is list for download, and the other one is at port 9091, yeah. Python ldap and move files, there are the both. Right now I'm going to upload the source code to my GitHub repository. This is all for this afternoon. I hope that you enjoy. I hope that could be good for you. Or if you have any question, I can clarify. For example, tomorrow. See you.